Hello students, I am Ramveer from Mappers Academy. Today, dear student, we will discuss chapter number 3 in geography, water resources. So first of all, we will discuss water scarcity in India and causes. Shortage of water, fresh water, which will be drinking for human beings, are called fresh water. Shortage of water on the earth and particular area is called scarcity of water. What are the causes of water scarcity? There are many causes of water scarcity. For example, urbanization, overuse of water, over irrigation, over exploitation of resources, and over population in India. These are the factors that pollution also, these are the causes of the water scarcity in India. Then, what are dams? Dams are the useful. These are the modern temple of India. These are the source of irrigation for fresh water. These are the source of water for irrigation domestic purpose. These produce water scarce, electricity, hydro power, and all these are the source of navigations, recreations, and aquatic animals. These are useful. But in recent years, there are a drawback of them because these are the causes of dispute. Many Andolan movement started by the people in that particular area. For example, Tehri Dam and Tehri Dam Andolan, or इसमें Narmada Bachao Andolan. These are the important dams that are useful to save the aquatic or tribal people on the large scale distribution. Next. Method of conservation of water. What are the sources that, or what are the methods that we should conserve the water? There are many methods. For example, if we use the water, rainwater harvesting should be need in India. We should build a many reservoir or ponds for our purpose. In Rajasthan, semi-arid area, in Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Phalodi, all the people have collected the water in inner टैंक होता है उनके पास घरों में, उसमें पानी को वो कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. These are the methods of these water resources in India. Bamboo tree irrigation is also useful for us. We should not use water so much that water can be exploited on the earth. हमें उनको बहुत कम यूज करना चाहिए फ्यूचर में ताकि हम फ्रेश पानी को उसको बचा सकें. Then role of the people. I think the greatest important things for the conservation of water, that is known as role of the people. Community always want to conserve the water. These are useful for us because our future generation depend on the water. Water is a need of the hour. So we should remember that water should be used in a proper and good management system should be implemented in the earth. Thanks students.